Welcome back, folks. What we're going to do in this particular video is the first of a series that we need to do in order to log data, log the status of variables with respect to time into a database. So the first step is utilizing a software package called MS SQL Server Management Studio. To get to it, I want you to go into All Programs, and you're going to be looking for Microsoft SQL Server 2008 R2. Okay, we'll go down to Server Management Studio, click on it to open, and the first thing that you should be presented with is a Connect to Server window. Under the server type, we're going to leave that as Database Engine. Under server name, this is what gets installed when FactoryTalk View Studio is installed on the computer itself. It should start with what you should see there is the server name, which is the name of your computer, and you should see FTView x64 tag DB. Okay, a database instance that's been created again upon install. If you do not see that, I want you to click the down arrow, say Browse for more, and under Local Servers, click on Database Engine, hit the plus symbol, and then under Database Engine, you should be able to see that tag database right there. So we'll say OK. We'll leave authentication at Windows authentication, which means as long as you've logged into this PC, you have the appropriate rights to access the database. Then we'll click Connect. And you'll notice what comes up in a Object Explorer on the left-hand side of SQL Server Management Studio is a series of folders. So the one we're interested in, we're going to hit the plus symbol beside Databases. And then what I want you to do is right-click on Databases, say New Database, and then the database name, I want you to say SCAD underscore and then your initials. Okay, we'll simply say OK to begin with, and you notice the database file is being created underneath with some details that are attached to it. Clicking OK. We should end up with SCAD BGJ and of course SCAD with your initials. So the new database is set up. Now if we go into use the plus symbol to find out what's inside a database, it is the tables folder that we're interested in. So the information in a database is going to be stored in tables. So the tables are configured in columns and rows. So if I hit the plus under the tables, at this particular point there aren't any storage tables available for us because we have to perform the next step in this lab. So this video is actually quite short. What I want you to do from here is go back to the lab and view the next video, but keep SQL Server Management Studio open because you will need to come back to this in an upcoming video. Thank you.